Costco just reported earnings that beat Wall Street's expectations, showing how the retail giant continues to thrive even as consumers face inflation, tariffs, and more competition from rivals like Walmart's Sam's Club. For the quarter, Costco brought in revenue of $86.16 billion, edging out the forecast of $86.03 billion. Adjusted earnings per share landed at 5.87, slightly higher than the 5.82 expected. Same-store sales climbed 6.4%, topping estimates of 6.2%. Breaking it down, U.S. same-store sales rose 6%, just shy of predictions. Canada was the standout performer, jumping 8.3% against estimates of 6.8. International markets were solid too, up 7.2%, right in line with forecasts. To compare, Walmart's Sam's Club grew 5.9% in its latest results. For the full fiscal year 2025, Costco reported $275.24 billion in annual revenue, with earnings of $18.21 per share, both topping analyst expectations. Same-store sales for the year grew 7.6%, again slightly above projections. CFO Gary Millerchip emphasized how important everyday value is to shoppers right now. He pointed to Costco classics like the famous hot dog combo, rotisserie chicken, and Kirkland's signature bath tissue as prime examples. In fact, during the year, Costco sold over 245 million hot dog combos, 157 million rotisserie chickens, and enough bath tissue to stretch to the moon and back more than 200 times. Still, Millerchip noted that customers are being selective when it comes to discretionary spending, while sticking to essentials. Costco's mix of value and newness is resonating, even if shoppers are cautious. Despite the strong numbers, Costco stock slipped about 0.8% in after-hours trading. Year-to-date, shares are only up 2.5%, well behind the S&P 500's 13.5% gain. Analysts, however, remain bullish. Oppenheimer's Rupesh Parikh said Costco's long-term prospects look very favorable, thanks to its global growth strategy, scale, and reliable returns for shareholders. Membership fees also remain a core strength. Income from membership rose 14% to $1.72 billion, with total cardholders increasing 6.1%. Competition is heating up, with Amazon expanding same-day delivery and pressuring retailers like Costco, BJ's, and Dollar General. CEO Ron Vakras said Costco is watching closely, but highlighted partnerships with Uber Eats and Instacart that are fueling e-commerce growth. Online sales rose 15% last quarter and will now be included in same-store growth figures. Tariffs are another challenge, but Costco is leveraging its scale to adapt. The company has shifted production sources, consolidated global buying, and leaned into domestically produced goods where possible. This holiday season, product mix will look a bit different, with fewer discretionary items like toys and decorations, and more focus on necessities and even new big-ticket categories like in-home saunas and furniture. Overall, Costco continues to show why it's one of the strongest players in retail, balancing value, growth, and resilience in a competitive landscape. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick breakdowns.